Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video of my new N-scale Kato SD70M number 2583. Of course, it's Norfolk Southern, and the new rolling stock. They're all grain cars. There's the CP rail one there. Canned Potex Limited. I'm not sure how to pronounce that right. Santa Fe, Conrail, Pillsbury. Had to get that one. And Canadian National. Not much has changed with the layout, as you can probably see. I do have another Woodland Scenics kit here. What kind of building is that? Some kind of little brick building that will help bring downtown together here. I'm gonna start making the mountains here soon, and it looks like we're actually gonna build another 4x8 table to add on to this and make the layout a lot bigger. It'll double in size, and of course I'll be adding a lot to this grain train here, getting some other types of manifest type freight cars and maybe some intermodal cars at some point. But for now, not much has changed since last year. This is actually about a year from my first video about this. This little siding here, I might as well talk about that. We were thinking of doing a little yard here. I don't know if that's going to happen. This siding was just extended to just kind of experiment with a new sort of layout. We were thinking of maybe doing something with that space back there, like some kind of grain company or something. I don't know if we will wind up doing that, but for now, going to be working a lot more on this, and hopefully by the end of this year it'll be close to being complete. Just trying to take my time on it and do everything right, though. So, big plans for the future.